Hello everyone, I am Janu from Joyful Yarns. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am gonna show you how to crochet this super cute crochet applique. Perfect for Easter decorations, springtime crafts, or just adding a fun touch to your projects. It is beginner friendly, quick to make, and absolutely adorable. Right? And the finished carrot is about 7 centimeters long, making it the perfect little accent piece. Okay guys, keep watching. We will go to the materials next and get started together. Right, these are the materials I am gonna use in this tutorial. Green color yarn for leaves, orange color yarn for the carrot, a pair of scissors, and 3.25 millimeter size crochet hook. Now you can grab your yarn and hook. Let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot, and next we are going to make 14 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Right, now we have 14 chains. Next, skip 3 chains from your hook, and in the 4th chain from your hook, work 1 extended double crochet. The extended double crochet is a little bit different from a regular double crochet. So let's learn how it works. Yarn over, insert hook into the 4th chain, yarn over again, pull through. Right, now you have 3 loops. Again yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Right, you have only 3 loops remaining. Right, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Right, again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops remaining on your hook. Right, this is the extended double crochet. Into the next stage, do another extended double crochet. Yarn over and pull through just the first loop on the hook. Right, this is where it gets a little different from a regular double crochet. After that you can do the same as your regular double crochet, releasing 2 loops. Right, now we have 3 chains and 2 extended double crochets. Next I am going to make 1 double crochet into next 3 stitches. This is the first one. Right, the second one into the next stitch, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet into the next stitch. One, two, three. Next make 3 half double crochets in next 3 chains. Right, this is the first half double crochet. Again the second half double crochet into the next stitch. Right, this is the third half double crochet into the next stitch. Right, 1 2 3. Next work 1 single crochet in next 2 chains. Right, this is the first one, 1 single crochet and another single crochet into the next stitch. Now we add the very last chain. So we are going to make 3 single crochets in this last chain. That will give us a nice round tip for the carrot. This is the second single crochet and the third single crochet into the same stitch. Right. Now we are turning and working down the other side of the chain. Next, make one single crochet into next two stitches. This is the first single crochet and this is the second single crochet into the next stitch. Right. After that, into the next stitch we are making one half double crochet. Right. Into the next stitch again one half double crochet. We are making 3 half double crochet here. Right. This is the third one. Third half double crochet. Right. Next, make 3 double crochets. Right. This is the first double crochet. And this is the second double crochet. Right. Third double crochet into the next stitch. Next, we are going to make 2 extended double crochets. This is the first one. Okay, first one and the second extended double crochet into the next stitch. Now chain 2 and slip stitch into the very first stitch to close. Right here. Slip stitch. Okay. Fasten off, cut the yarn and there we have the little carrot body. Hide the yarn tail to the stitches. You can do this by your hook and you can use a needle. Right, doing this you can get a good finishing and secure the yarn end. Next I'm gonna make carrot leaves. So I take dark green color yarn. You can take any green shades. First make a slip knot and join your slip knot in middle. You can see the stitch here. Now make 4 chains, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you should skip 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the third chain, right? Again another slip stitch into the first chain and the third slip stitch into the middle stitch, right? And again make 4 chains, right? Now you should make again 3 slip stitches, skip 2 and first slip stitch into the third chain and second slip stitch into the next one and the third slip stitch into the middle again, right? Again 4 chains, skip 2 And again you should make 3 slip stitches like we did before. This is the third slip stitch into the middle. Fasten off and cut the yarn. You can gently shape the leaves with your finger so they look nice. You can make a knot here because we have 2 ends. I think that's better, making a knot here. And there it is, our adorable carrot applique with its fresh green top, all ready to decorate your projects. Doesn't it look cute enough to it? What do you think, guys? Right. This is my carrot drawstring pouch. If you like to learn how to make this, go to my channel. And you can easily find step by step, well explained full tutorial. Don't forget to watch that too. Okay guys, now you know how to make this cute crochet carrot applique, and I hope the instructions I gave are clear and would helpful to you. Please consider to make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. See you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.